everyone, I'm teacher Melika from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. First, let's start with the basics. What is the past perfect tense? In English, the past perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened before another action in the past. It helps us show the order of events clearly. Now, let's move on to forming the past perfect tense. It's quite simple. You need two parts, had and the past participle of the verb. For example, I had eaten, she had studied, or they had traveled. Here are a few more examples to make it clear. I had already finished my homework when my friend called. By the time I arrived, the movie had already started. She had never been to Paris before last summer. Now, let's talk about when to use the past perfect tense. There are two primary scenarios. The first scenario is to show an action that happened before a specific point in the past. For example, she had graduated before she got her first job. The second scenario is to express a past condition that no longer exists, like I had never visited that place until last year. In both cases, the past perfect tense helps us understand the order of events. If you are afraid of mistaking past perfect tense with simple past tense, don't be. Our teachers are more than willing to help you during your live lessons. We also offer you your first lesson for free. What's more, EnglishCentral has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link in the description box, EnglishCentral.com, or download our app, EnglishCentral, to check out our educational materials. But for now, let's continue. It's time to address some common mistakes. One of the common errors is using the past perfect when it's not needed. Remember, the past perfect is for actions that happened before another action. If there is no need to show that order, use the simple past tense instead. Let's do a quick exercise to test your knowledge. I'll give you a sentence and you will decide whether to use the past perfect or not. They had or have never been to New York City before last summer. What do you think? The correct answer is had. They had never been to New York City before last summer. And there you have it, the past perfect tense in English. Remember to use had plus past participle and be mindful of when to use it. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!